Here we have a 2014 Volkswagen Passat. It's fitted with the 2 litre TDi engine, the diesel engine, and it's done roughly 85,000 miles. If you've done a service and you've got this oil change and inspection now flashing up, we're going to run through a procedure which hopefully will show you how to reset it. With the key out of the ignition, I'm going to press and hold this 0 set button, put the key in, turn the ignition on, and straight away it comes up with change service, are you sure? Reset oil. So using the OK button, OK, straight away, service reset. And now we've got inspection now, so we'll run through the procedure on how to reset that. Right, so we've done the oil change reset on the dashboard, and what we're left with now, if I put the ignition on, is inspection now. Now to reset that, we need to put the hazard lights on, turn the ignition off, take the key out, put your foot on the clutch, start the car up, but before you start the car, press and hold this 0 button, and start the car up, reset inspection. So remove from that, press OK. And hopefully that has done it. That's it, and as you can see, the warnings have now disappeared. Thanks for watching. If you find our videos helpful, please hit like and subscribe to help us out. Nice one.